The delicate cockchafer soup. The European cockchafer or May bug was considered as an agricultural pest in the 19th century. Against this threat, a French senator proposed the following solution. Catch the May bugs, pound them and put them through a sieve. For making a thin soup, pour water over them. For making a fat soup, pour bouillon over them. This gives a delightful dish, esteemed by the gourmet. Since then and until mid-20th century, this soup was eaten in Austria, Germany and France. It was considered a delicacy superior to lobster and snails. So next time you order soup at the restaurant you may ask, "Waiter, I want a Maybug in my soup."